The INTEX C1000 Filter Pump is designed to keep pool water crystal clear with a robust flow rate of 1,000 gallons per hour, ensuring effective circulation and filtration. Installation is a breeze, requiring only simple hose connections and a plug-in, making it an ideal choice for any above-ground pool up to 6,000 gallons. This pump features Hydro Aeration Technology, which enhances water circulation and clarity while increasing negative ions at the water surface for a refreshing swimming experience. The easy-to-clean cartridge system uses Type A filter cartridges made from Dacron paper, which should be replaced every 2 weeks to maintain optimal filtration. With safety as a top priority, INTEX ensures that the C1000 pump is built to high standards, offering both quality and value for pool owners. The durable construction and thoughtful design of this pump make it a reliable and long-lasting solution for maintaining pool hygiene.